Kuidas teha sooja tutorial? Nii.
Kuidas teha sooja tutorial? Alustame parema jala viimine.
Kõik teed viivad Märdi juurde.
Just üles ja... Mul oleks saab.
Ain't got no muscle, no hustle, no backbone. I stand alone, not tripping. Just saying, I'm different. Ain't hanging on to the coattails of the next man. Passport in my left hand, thinking that you are next. Heck, oh, you ain't holding your breath, man. Cause I'm out here, I'm hungry. I don't play around, trust me. Ain't had as much drive since my Honda Civic got rusty. And my girl said that she loved me. It's funny, just thinking back. Study hard for that 9 to 5 like I thought that should be good, but that it was dreaming. Still dreaming. Spotlight on me like Willie Beamen. Still performing like Al Pacino. Instagram and tuxedos with my peoples. We growing up, still don't seem like we slowing up. 10 squad, we throwing up. Every time that we showing up. Get it while I'm living. All I ever hear is the clock tick, tick, tick. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't want to give it up, they gon' make it out. Get it while I'm living. All I ever hear is the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my...
Seda filmi teeme.
Confused, abused, overusing my walking shoes. I never turn back, so no discord. I never reuse what I do before, but it's too late. My fate, I regurgitate all the words that I say. Listen up, don't miss the fall, but just pick it up there off the floor.
I guess who? Yeah, you. You're the ones that I'm talking to. You're never gonna guess what's coming next. Take your mind inside, but I manifest, but
inside this rhyme,
you will find on my mind. I just slip my crazy in there, man. Just living my trip, just step on my trip, just step in my trip, man. Step on my trip, just step in my trip, man. Step on my trip, just step in my trip, man. Just step on my trip, cause I've got no pecs to flex.
Pettunud Sam on läbi.
Mina olen ka pettunud. Märdis.
Kõik on pettunud. Pettunud.
Ma arvan, Ats ei teinudki seda.
Me oleme koos kõik öelda.
Ja üldsegi me tahtsime väga palju öelda.
Koos öelda, et me oleme kõik Reimost tehtud.
Reimo on nii halb vist.
Aga Sandris?
Sander on nagunii, temaga on teada, mis see on. Sandris me oleme rohkem pettunud kui Sandris. Eks? Ju.